it. Stop it. Stop doing this thing. You are going to keep breaking your edges. I'm going to be giving out a free checklist at the end of this video. So please, you want to stay till the end and get my checklist. Hi, you're welcome to another episode of Ask the Trichologist. I am Atilola, certified trichologist at the Trichologist. So many words called trichologist, right? But who am I if not a trichologist? Who am I if not here to help you with your hair loss issues and your scalp disorders? Okay, so today I am going to be doing something that you people have been begging me for. But I was like, I'm not doing this. Everybody says I do this, I do this. No, but today I'm just going to cave in and I'm going to do it. But before I go on, I want you to please like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell and drop a comment for us in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, click on the notification bell, drop a comment for us in the comment section, and I want you to please follow us on all our social media platforms. Ask the Trichologist everywhere. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere is Ask the Trichologist. As a trichologist. So today I am going to be teaching you how to grow your edges in 6 months. Everybody says, Lola, please talk about edges. But I'm always talking about edges all the time. I'm like, I can't just talk about edges again, not again. And you go, Lola, tell me how to grow my edges. I have products for edges, I have courses for edges, I have everything for edges. And because I've done so well for women in helping them grow their edges, when next they see me, they're like, I'm going to talk about edges again. And I'm like, no, I'm not talking about edges again. I want to talk about scalp. I want to talk about length. I want to talk about something else. But I'm like, okay, today I'm going to cave in. And I'm going to talk I'm going to talk about edges. So how do you grow your edges in 6 months? I'm going to be giving out a free checklist at the end of this video. So please, you want to stay till the end and get my checklist, right? You want to download the checklist so that you have it and you can use it at all times, right? How do you grow your edges in 6 months? Of course, you can grow your edges before 6 months, and sometimes you can take after 6 months, but 6 months is the average you are putting here. Many people that we help grow their edges back, they grow it in less than 6 months. Because we use an entire ecosystem. We combine with the products, the services, the trichology, every single thing. We combine it for them and then they are able to get those results. But how do you grow your edges in 6 months? First thing you need to do, stop all form of extensions until your edges are fully restored. All forms of extensions until your edges are fully restored. Extensions won't do you any good. They will just make your edges go back or recede further. Another thing you want to do is you have to stop wigs. You have to stop using the wigs for now. You have to stop it. Don't put wigs directly on your scalp. They are going to shave your edges off. I know you don't like to hear it, but you have to stop. You might say, Atilola, but I need the wigs. Okay, I'm going to cave in. I'm going to give you a special wig cap that we use for hair loss. And it is it's not the regular wig cap that you get everywhere. It's the satin line wig cap that we use for people that have hair loss issues. You can always get it using the link in the description box below. Do not get regular wig caps if you are having issues with your edges. They are going to make your edges worse. They are going to shave your edges. It doesn't matter how many products you use. It doesn't matter anything. You will lose those edges. And then you have hair in front, and then you lose the edges here, and you have hair behind, right? You will lose those edges. So please always make sure you just listen to my instructions. Or don't you want to grow your edges back? Do you want to keep jumping from products to products and not get any results? You have come to this far. I am giving you the shortcuts, right? Ensure that you are not always fingering or twirling your hair or playing with your hair. You might say, I'm in hair syndrome. Stop it. Stop doing this thing. You are going to keep breaking your edges. These lines here, your DNA lines, your fingerprint lines, all those lines they are shaving utensils when they come to your edges. They will keep shaving off your hair. You keep breaking your edges. So get your hands away. And let me tell you a trick. If you know that you cannot get your hands away, cover your hair while you're at home. Use your satin scarf. Tie your hair when you're at home. And when you're in the office, use a nice, beautiful headband. By the time you touch your hair once, touch your hair twice, trust me, in 7 days to 21 days, that habit will be broken. So that's a tip, right? Always cover your edges if you know you are addicted to playing with your edges. Then you have to make sure that in the time being, you have to stop the relaxers and you have to stop the dyes. Not that relaxers and dyes are bad, even though they have their own shortcomings, but trust me, those are not things you want to be using when you are trying to grow your edges. Chemical processing, it will just make your edges, I mean, you've already lost the edges anyway, and then you are even filling it out with chemical processing. Relaxers and dyes, you need to stop that, right? How many have I given you? I've given you 4 with a bonus tip of, you know, the scarf and this thing if you're addicted, right? Another thing you want to do is that you want to stop. You have to stop putting your hair in pineapple styles. You have to stop putting, I think this is the 5th point, right? Don't all those styles that take your hair tight and then you pulls your hair so that makes you look cute and brings your face out. You need to stop the pineappling. Yeah, this right here is an example of pineappling. Stop pineappling your hair. Your hair has to grow. Pineappling your hair will make your edges break very fast. Hello, I'm quickly interrupting this video to let you know that if you have hair loss issues or scalp disorders, we have convenient trichology solutions available for you no matter where you are in the world. If you are in the US, we have mobile trichology services available for you where we'll conveniently come to your home to offer the solutions to you and you don't have to stress yourself coming to meet us at our hair clinic. We also offer worldwide virtual trichology services. You see, I have mastered the art of delivering results to my clients without having to necessarily be in the same location with them. I use hair coaching services like hair loss masterminds, regimen development, hair loss products, which will ship to you wherever you are in the world while holding your hands all through the process, ensuring that you get the results you desire. We have services like micro needling, high frequency treatment, low level laser therapy, post-surgery management, and so much more. So wherever you are, we have a plethora of options for you to get the solution you seek for your hair loss issues. And if you are confused about which of our services to book, you can get on a free 15-minute clarity call with us where we can guide you to choose the one that is suitable for you. Go to askthetrichologist.com or check the description box below and get your hair loss issues and scalp disorders sorted out. Now, let's get back to the video. Another thing you want to do is if you are, maybe you are a Muslim and you use turbans, or you are an African and you use gele a lot. Gele is the, you know, this gele in the video right here, right? You want to make sure that you wear satin caps, right, before you put those things on your head. If a satin cap that will flatten your head, right, before you wear those head gears. You want to use them before you wear those head gears, right? I think this is number 6. And then you have to get our products. You have to get our products. Yes, you have to get an edge restoring product, which we'll put here, right? The products that will actually grow your edges. Because now, if you can get the products and don't do these things, and maybe you're using wigs and the products are growing your hair, and then you're using wigs and then the wigs are shaving off your hair. So everything has to come together. So get the edge restoring products that we have, right? And then lastly, very important, exercise patience, because you don't want to be going every 2 days and say, oh, my hair has not grown. My hair has not grown. Exercise patience. It took a long time for your edges to get damaged. So it requires time for your hair edges to become restored. So you have to exercise patience. And now, if you want to get this edge restoring checklist, please click the link below. Click the link below in this video and get the edge restoring checklist. You are able to download it for free and then use it at all times. All right then, if you have any issues with your edges, you want to grow your edges long, you want to get the results, how we're able to get all these results for these people that you are seeing across the screen, you have hair loss issues, you have scalp disorders, whatever issues you have, please book one of our services right in the comment section or in the description box. Book an appointment with us and we'll be able to sort you out. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click on the notification bell, drop a comment for us in the comment section till I come your way again in the next episode. Bye.